The befores and afters on your profiles were just phenomenal. I'd never seen so much work that was just showcasing everything. But also just gave me real confidence that people with the same problems I had were getting solutions that were long-term and not just these kind of like overfilled fixes.
Anthony, I remember your neck and how big it used to be.
Yeah.
It has been 12 weeks now. Tell me your journey about the endolift.
So, always had a bit of a turkey neck. Never ever liked it. It's been something genetically in my family that I've always had. I looked at my brother, who's only 2 years older than me, and realised how bad his had gotten. And I saw you guys do endolift, did some research, and we went quite hard around the base of my neck here, because this is where I carried all my weight. And the results have been nothing short of remarkable. This is probably as good as a result if I'd had some kind of semi-neck lift, because my problem was fat rather than structure. And like you advised, you know, we went quite heavy across the bottom element of my jaw and my neck. And even now, where this arches slightly this way, originally it came out and didn't go, it went from chin to chest.
Yeah.
Which is a remarkable result, considering it was done in a few hours. I had maybe 2 weeks of downtime where I felt like there was a little bit of settlement, but ever since then it's just got better and better and better.
Amazing. And we're thinking of doing one more when you're fully healed, and probably not go as hard this time.
No.
And then see how it looks then.
Yeah.
Today we're going to do a bit of jawline.
Yeah, that's it. Before, if I didn't have the endolift, the filler would have been pointless.
Yeah.
Now I can feel.
I think I refused to do it, didn't I?
Yeah.
When you first came, you did your eyes.
Yeah.
I think.
Did my nose, and then, but I'm quite lackadaisy with these things. But I realised that I've had chin and jaw filler before, and it just didn't give a result because it was being absorbed into that fatty space. So it never really gave me the result I wanted.
Yeah.
It was always a disappointment, and I'd spent thousands on filler over the years. This procedure I had done was one of the best value things I could ever have had done.
Ah, amazing. And what made you choose Deep Aesthetics as?
This is probably the only place I've seen that has a vast amount of male clients. I think there is an eye for male aesthetics that comes from, learning on and working on men. And I know that if I've got any concerns, you listen to it straight away. The befores and afters on your profiles were just phenomenal. I'd never seen so much work that was just showcasing everything. But also just gave me real confidence that people with the same problems I had were getting solutions that were long-term and not just these kind of like overfilled fixes.
Ah, amazing. Thank you so much. Smell it, can't you? This is filler, endolift, and a good diet. Anthony, go and look in the mirror.
I can't even look at it. Oh my God.
So I put more the angle.
Oh my God. I've never actually had a contour there.
Never
I
really.
can trim my beard to a proper jawline. That is shocking. Look at that.
Not so good.